Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are discussing in this lecture in the open air. We are enjoying the sun and also recording the lecture in which we are going to discuss the food constituent, mainly the vitamins, and in vitamins, the water soluble vitamins. There are two major groups, fat soluble vitamins and the water soluble vitamins. In water soluble vitamins, we have the vitamin C and the B complex. In B complex, we have the thiamine, that is B1, riboflavin B2, pyridoxine B6, cyanocobalamin B12, pantothenic acid, para-aminobenzoic acid, inositol, and some others. Today, we are discussing the vitamin C, the sources of the vitamin C, the functions of the vitamin C, the deficiency symptoms of the vitamin C, and its sensitivity. So, let's discuss its sources. The major sources of the vitamin C are the fruits and vegetables, especially the citrus fruits, in which it is found in abundance. Remember that a single tomato is providing sufficient amount of vitamin C to the human body to meet the daily needs. It is white crystalline in nature and is soluble in water. The functions of the vitamin C are: it is anti-scurvy, that is, it helps to control the bleeding of the gums. It helps to strengthen the blood vessels. It helps to maintain the growth of the bones and teeth. It helps to be applied to be used in the tissue formation. It is used in the growth and maintenance, and it is also required for the absorption of the iron. Remember that the fat soluble vitamin E is used for the absorption of the iron from the intestinal tract. Similarly, the vitamin C is also used and required for the absorption of this vitamin from the intestinal tract, which is responsible to carry oxygen from lungs through heart to the cells for the metabolism. Its deficiency symptoms: if it is deficient in the diet, the disease in which the bleeding from the gums will take place will occur. The normal formation of the tissues will be affected. The blood vessels and the strengthening of the blood vessels will be affected. The growth and maintenance of the formation of the bone and teeth will also be affected. The absorption of the iron will be affected, and that will lead to the disease called anemia. Means the deficiency of this vitamin C will lead to the less absorption of the iron from the intestinal tract, resulting the condition in which the oxygen will not be properly taken to the cells for the metabolism, for the release of the energy, and the individuals or the human beings will be adversely affected. It helps to heal the wounds. That is, if it is not supplied in sufficient amount, if it is not taken in sufficient amount, then the healing of wounds will be delayed. Now, its sensitivity: it is sensitive to oxygen, it is sensitive to light, and it is sensitive to high temperature. So, care should be taken to control that three things or three parameters. As it is sensitive to oxygen, so it should be stored in the airtight container where the supply or the presence of oxygen should be restricted. So this vitamin will remain for a longer period of time over there where the supply of oxygen is controlled or restricted. As it is sensitive to heat, so it should be stored at cool, dark places. If it is stored cool, dark place, oxygen, and if it is stored at dark places, it will not be affected by the light. If you have any question about this vitamin C, you can ask us. Thank you.